Hello, this is Brian from Toyota Overlanders, and this is Gear Up episode 7. And today we're going to talk about hot showers. And we have been using, for the last 5 years, we've been using the Mr. Buddy heater. We'll have a picture of the product in the description below, and that's been working amazing for all our trips once you kind of learn the ins and outs of how it works. So today we're going to do an upgrade on that, and when we start using this new BougeRV hot water heater, propane. So we just received this the other day and we did some tests on it, and so far it is super nice. So we typically have the indoor shower in our Go Fast camper, and I normally take showers inside there every morning. The water just runs out through the Tacoma bed, no worries, but it's nice to have a hot shower in the morning, even in the winter time. It's a little harder with the actual temperature of the water. I think the BougeRV does heats up the water about 45 degrees warmer than the actual temperature. So that's kind of nice. This is a higher BTUs. So let's get into the product itself. Basically, this is really nice because you have a controllable temperature. You have the water going in, the temperature going in. You have the temperature going out. And of course, you've got the adjustment knob, which is really nice. This just plugs into the power. Obviously, this is just running on its own battery right now. Really simple device. You've got the propane in the back, runs through, ignites, and then you have it kind of moves through the system, warms the water up, and then comes out the shower. So let's talk about, this is the actual water pump. Goes in we use a 5-gallon container, and we have been really good as far as saving the water on our trips by using, probably the 5 gallons will last at least 4 days sparingly. So we normally just throw on some quick shampoo on the top of our head and then quick in and out. That's simple. So this goes in the actual container of water. You've got the blue plugs into the blue. The connection for the pump plugs in over here. Where it says pump, and then you have the shower, and this plugs in to the red. I like the quick connects on this. It actually has a pretty good feel as far as the snap goes, so you know it's connected, because obviously you want to have a seal on this, so when it's pumping through it has good flow. We like the shower head on this. It actually has 3 settings on the tip. I guess you have an outer mist. You have kind of like the inner, and you have the inner part. So you have 3 different settings: middle, outer, and wide. And then not only on this, we also like the ability to be able to stop on this switch here. You can actually push in and it will stop the shower, and when you push back out, the shower will come back on, which is really nice. This also has a fine setting through it, so you can push it in and adjust the flow rate to just what you're looking for as far as how much water flow on that. So this is really nice. We're excited to start using this, the BougeRV. We'll have some, if you have any, suggestions on stuff you've been using for your showers, just make some replies or comments below. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trail. Cheers.